classic car with a license to cruise. The only reason I'm able to catch up with it is because people in front are going slow, and that's giving me enough time to catch up with the little Honda. Otherwise, this car would just pull away from me and never catch up. Somebody else can probably tell me a lot more about the car than I know. I just like the style of it. It's very classic. Cadillac. Classic car. Don't know if I'd ever consider owning one, but that hardly has anything to do with it.